Good afternoon, everyone. For this afternoon's Prebid Conference, present are the following: back chairperson, Assistant District Engineer Varias Jr.,
Present.
back regular member, Mr. Mario C. Caliao,
Present.
back provisional member, Engineer Renaldo S. Emeterio, attending through Zoom. Back Secretariat Head, Engineer Norma A. Ogabang, back PWG member, Engineer Jonali A. Bayanban,
Present.
back Secretariat member, yours truly, Dulce Amor Soledad. Presenters from the Planning and Design section, Engineer Destiny Uwayan, Engineer Jason Aleria.
Present.
We also have end users present this afternoon. Punong Barangay of Mahayahay, Quezon, Bukidnon. Mahayag Mahayahay. Mahayag, Honorable Judy P. Bulalok. And Punong Barangay of Libertad.
Kagawad.
Dili ko na siya. Barangay Kagawad. Barangay Kagawad. Of Barangay Libertad, Quezon, Bukidnon. Honorable Richard Y. Ihong. And also, ma'am, your name, please acknowledge. Miss Kubkuban, also, Honorable Kubkuban. That's all, Mr. Chair. Good afternoon.
Thank you. Since you are in quorum, so let us proceed. Good afternoon, everyone. Today's proceeding is the Prebid Conference of 6 Civil Works project under fiscal year 2024 Annual Infrastructure Program based on GEA. So, any question before we proceed? None. So, let us proceed.
So, good afternoon once again. The first project that I'm going to present is the construction of Barangay Libertad to Barangay Mahayag Road, Quezon, Bukidnon. So, the approved budget for the contract is 73,500,000 and a total project duration of 270 calendar days. So, our project is located 23 kilometers away from this district engineering office. So, mag-start atong project is junction ni siya sa existing road sa Libertad. Diri wala na ko na jatag no. So, agi kag Barangay Libertad na existing road diha nga junction padulong sa Barangay Mahayag. So, our project is composed of 3 sections. So, first section na to mag-end before sa tulay sa Mahayag Bridge. Then, second section na to is from Mahayag Bridge up to the existing concrete. So, na existing concrete diri up to section 3 na to. Ang section 3 na to is mag-beginning ta dito na sa ends ato ang existing concrete. So, initially mo na atong na as per preliminary design na to anong nasabutan sa atong project as per survey data pod nga na validate. So our scope of work includes construction of 2.5 kilometer PCCP local road with a PCCP thickness of 230 mm thick and a roadway width of 6.1 and naputay shoulder nga 1.5 meter width nga 200 mm thick. So include sa to ang scope is ang removal of actual structures and obstructions, included na dito mga na maigo nga part sa existing canal, na part nga maigo sa existing canal na to, then na ay murag kaning slope protection dito sa right side diha sa bridge, sa beginning sa bridge kasi kumugay ka pa, then i-adjust na mo among alignment, then gi-remove na mo pero gipulihan na gyapon namo para ang atong alignment is small, dili kayo siko atong alignment. So nag-provide me dito og paved shoulder to na existing concrete na ito na approach diha nga existing concrete sa tulay, gi-paved shoulder lang mo iyang kuan, wala na mo gi-remove. Give shoulder lang namo. Then also included diha ang construction sa atong slope protection structures and reinforced concrete line canal, extension and installation of cross drainages, mga pipe and nato nga mga structures, and metal guardrails para sa to ang mga pangpang area. Kasagara dire rin sa bridge nga part kung na pangpang. So tanga to guardrails and provision of thermoplastic pavement marking. So mo ni ato ang summary sa to ang wala na appeal diri ba. Ang length sa to ang sections. So naatay section 1 na to, ang length sa to section 1 is 2017 meters. Section 2 na to is 195.8 meters. And atong section 3 is 287.2 meters. So total of 2,500 meter road PCCP. So diri ang wala na appeal ang kan ba. Wait lang. Nato summary of structures na to nga included sa to ang program. So natay total nga drainages nga gi-install na to is 46 meters. So sa 46 meters na ni kani mga RCPCs lang ni, RCPC nga extension og installation, included na mga lateral drainages na mga magian nga crossing. And sa atong line canal natay total of 1,762 linear meter nga line canal. And sa itong slope protection, natay 190 meters. Then for our paved shoulder, natay total of 3,603 lane meters. So included na ni left side and right side. Total na ni siya nga itong paved shoulder. So sa at fifth natay existing nga kuan, condemn na dito nga drainage. I think sa kuan to sa niya pero condemn na ba, wala na nagamit. So among gibuhat, gi-remove na mo to, then gipulihan na lang mo RCBC nga 1.25 meter by 1 meter nga RCBC. Nasa sa station 1 plus 220.7. Then for our summary of quantities, natay facilities for the engineer, project billboard and signboard, isa sa COA billboard and duha sa DPWH nga billboard. Occupational safety and health program, traffic management, mobilization. Then for earthworks quantities, natay removal of trees, 13 kabok. Then removal of actual structures and obstruction, natay existing 24 inches nga diameter, gi-remove na to o gipulihan na nila to. Sa existing is 2 barrel na siya nga 24 inches. So atong gibuhat is gi-replacean na to og 48, isa ka 48, one line na lang. Then 48 nga diameter nga RCPC. Then removal of structures and obstruction concrete, included na diri itong mga maigo nga mga concrete structures, line canal, stroke protections, and mga sa extensions na to mga pipe culvert nga mabungkago na to nga mga head walls or wing walls, included na sa diri sa removal. Surplus common excavation, structure excavations, foundation fill para sa itong mga drainages, embankment, subgrid operations. Then for aggregate subbase course, item 200. Surface course na to, 0.23 meter thick sa to ang roadway pavement, then 0.2 meter thick sa to ang shoulder pavement. Then for our drainage and slope protection structures, natay reinforcing steel grade 40 for all reinforced concrete structures. Class A concrete for RCBC and pipe and structures. Then Class B concrete para sa itong mga line canal. And pipe culvert nga 910 mm diameter para sa itong installation. Then ang isa is 1,220 or 48 inches nga diameter nga pipe. Then stone masonry para sa itong construction sa retaining wall or slope protection structures. Then for our miscellaneous structures, natay metal guardrails with NPs. And kaning seedlings samplings for other programs is katuning sa as per DNR nga mga memorandum nato nga every one tree nga ma-remove needed ta nga mo ilisan og 100 ka seedlings. So mo ni naani siya sa DNR na to nga memorandum or administrative order nila. So comply lang ta. Ikaw na bang po ni turnover largo sa DNR. Wala na tayo na ni. Paliton lang ang seedlings din ni hatag ras turnover sa DNR. Then provision of reflectors, payment markings and then white and yellow marks. So that's all for a scope of work sa tuang project sa Libertad to Mahayag Road. So any questions, clarifications? Total na to ang width sa to ang road is 6.1 3.05 per lane. Then ang total length din sa to ang project is 2.5 kilometers. Ang shoulder is 1.5 meter ang width sa shoulder. Katong existing na to nga road, dili na to ay hilabdan. Mo connect lang ta dito.
Pero ang shoulder adto di na pod nato apilon.
Wala anay part kaning sa existing sa bridge na i-approach diri nga concrete, i-pave shoulder lang nato. Magbutang na tag pave shoulder dun sa tulay nga existing. Dito lang. Kaya ron mo lapad iyahang kon iyahang width kay ang existing dito kay medyo di man kay kon good nga siko kay ba. So needed tang additional nga pavement. So amo wala na mo gi-remove, nag-add additional lang nga pavement kay tsada pa man iyahang concrete. Di pa na ko maku-answer ba kung ahagid ang total sa tanan kay murag iha para manggod di na ko ma-locate kung asa gyud. Katong sa diri mahayag ba to nga part tunay murag tuktok ayo. Medyo gi-adjustan ginamo, gi-cutting namo kay para mo gamay-gamay iyang grade.
Wala na kay bid bulletin ani.
Nami request for bid bulletin na ni sir for final quantities. Apa sir ma'am?
Good afternoon, everyone. So up next, I will be presenting to you the projects for the 2024 water system projects. Entitled, we have number 1, completion of water system Barangay Danggawan, Maramag, Bukidnon, and number 2, rehabilitation of San Miguel water system Barangay San Miguel, Maramag, Bukidnon. So these are the project components, then the project considerations, and we have number 1, the approved budget of the contract is 2,970,000, project duration of 135 calendar days, contract ID of 24KB 0106, and then major category of work, water supply level 2 and 3, source and pipe network, conveyance system development. So the project is located 2.5 kilometers from the Danggawan Barangay Hall. And in the scope of work, we have construction of retaining structure and intake box. Then we have installation of transmission and distribution pipelines and construction of 1 unit, 5,000 gallons, reinforced concrete ground reservoir. So basically, the system follows a gravity network system from the existing water source, the surface water. We will have to construct retaining structure and intake box, and then we will have installation of transmission pipelines to the proposed ground reservoir, 5,000 gallons. And then here we have the items of work. First, project billboard signboard, occupational safety and health program, mobilization, demobilization, reinforcing steel, grade 40, structural concrete, class A, 28 days, 20.68 MPa, cement plaster finish, and then waterproofing, excavation beneath proposed structures, pipeline trench excavation, fill and backfill, and then polyethylene PE plastic pipe, ISO SDR 11, and then we have two diameters, 63 mm with 75 mm outside diameter, and then the isa lang di ay, and then galvanized iron pipes with fittings, 75 mm diameter, and then bulbs and pipe fittings including pipe couplers, pipe reducers, end cap, and accessories, air release valve. So these are the equipment requirement: the bar cutter, bar bender, cargo service truck, all models, 1 bagger mixer, concrete vibrator. So these are the typical sections for our retaining structure as well as for the intake box. And also for our ground reservoir, 5,000 gallons. So that's all for Barangay Danggawan Water System Project. Ay, naapa ma'am. Oh, naapa. And then, okay. Okay, next. Danggawan, sir. 2,970,000, sir, narata. Ay, dili, sir, na. Next project na to, sir. Nara, sir. 2,970,000, okay. So, the next project is rehabilitation of San Miguel Water System, Barangay San Miguel, Maramag, Bukidnon, with approved budget of the contract, 9,900,000, project duration of 245 calendar days, contract ID of 24KB 0107, and major category of work, water supply level 2 and 3, source and pipe network conveyance system development. So, we have JOTAG photos here taken on site. So basically, this project utilizes a river source, and then from that river source, we will construct river intake structures, And then from that river intake structures, we will have chlorinator facilities for the system, and then including electrification and then transmission pipelines. Then we have also brake pressure chambers. So these JOTAG photos shows a sitio. No, to the left is a sitio. Gikan diha ma'am, tapos ato lang siyang mudagan man na siya ang sa river. Dito lang mi nagpaduol sa katong accessible bitaw ma'am, kay kana man gud na area kana nasa akong likod layo na kaayo bitaw. Then ang tubig same raman, tapos so ampoy namuyo diha sa ibabaw, so safe pa po siya. So we have the JOTAG photo on the right, shows the access road going to the proposed project. So as you can see, na atay existing na electrical post in which we can attach our proposed na electrification going to our proposed na chlorinator facility. And sa left, mo na siya ang sitio panit. We will have to construct water tub, and then para makuan ang tubig kay wala sila'y saluranan, and then gravity system sigira siya agas, wala, sayang siya. And our project is located 5.2 kilometers from Barangay San Miguel, and our scope of work, we have construction of river intake structures and pressure breakers. Next, installation of transmission pipeline and communal faucet, and then electrification works and chlorinator facilities. So for our items of work, permits and clearances, the same lang atong previous nga project, and naalang siya katong mga items for our proposed na chlorinator facility, including steel lower door, aluminum glass windows, fixed type, window accessory, waterproofing, metal structure accessory, steel plates, structural steel purlins, railing, and napod tayo painting works, masonry, concrete, as well as for steel. Excavation beneath proposed structures, pipeline trench excavation, fill and backfill, polyethylene PE plastic pipe, water pumping system, bulbs and pipe fittings, pole-mounted distribution transformer OISC with complete accessories, pole type, conduits, boxes and fittings, conduit works, conduit rough-in, wires and wiring devices, lighting fixtures. So for our equipment requirement, bar cutter, bar bender, cargo service truck, all models, wala siya na-edit. Sorry guys. So here is our proposed intake river structure. So as you can see, yan na siya ang dagway. And then the water will simply go through the flow, to the natural flow of water, and then perpendicular to that, the water will enter through our gates, which will be constructed on site. So muna siya river intake structure, front elevation, and then we have the overall structure. And then we have the pumping station and chlorinator facility. So inana siya. And that's all for my project 24 KB 0107. So, end of presentation. Thank you. Naman. Nag-uban sa mo. Kaning sa akong side, si Kagawad, sa San Miguel. I know. Tama na. And that's all. So that's all. Kailo. Nakalimutan. Shukran. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, bago na siya kagawad. So, yung mga to. Kuha na siya dito na padulong na sa project. Thank you. Yes, anak ko. Mani mo? Mani mo? Ay, open sa inko ano ni? Kani, i-open na lang ako diretso. Ano, wait, ma-open naman na. Mani? Mali ni? Hindi ay. Mali. Pwede lang. Prebid.
Good afternoon once again. The next project is the construction of road Barangay Panganan, Kitaw-Taw, Bukidnon. So, nasa contract ID nga 24 KB 0109. So, the approved budget for the contract is 4,950,000. A project duration of 75 calendar days. So, atong project location is ano siya? 126 kilometers away from this district. So, dito tagi sa San Fernando, Kalagangan Road.